Every meteorite which reached the surface of Earth, all suffering countless splitting and thousands of impact with the atmosphere, burning, flaming up, smoke swirling, since ran into the meteorite in the museum. The universe wonders fermented in my mind. The artwork eventually turned into the LUX200 box mode. Namibia Hoba Meteorite series. Every texture is torn out by the friction with airflow but never defeated by it. It's a masterpiece with countless coincidences, unpredictable and hard to duplicate. AI Chaco Meteorite series. Every dazzling color spectrum is a voice cipher code from far heaven. It is rare in nature and is precious in spirit inspiration. Embedded with Eagle military-grade chip, 0.005 second speedy output, blockchain anti-counterfeiting encryption, real-time online upgrade. Holding this box mod as if possessing powerful magic. See what one has never seen before in stellar scene.